Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to calculate maximum drawdown in Excel. This helps you understand your biggest loss from peak to trough during a period. In our example, we have monthly data for a portfolio from January to October. Column A has the date, and column B has the portfolio value. In column C, we calculate the highest value the portfolio has reached up to each month. To do that, we use the max function. Here's the key part: we lock the starting cell by pressing F4 after clicking it. This keeps the starting point fixed as we drag the formula down. So Excel always looks from the first value up to the current row. That's how we accurately track the portfolio's peak value over time. Now let's move to column D, where we calculate the drawdown, the percentage drop from the running maximum to the current portfolio value. To do that, we subtract the current portfolio value from the running maximum, and then divide by the running maximum. This tells us how much the portfolio has dropped, in percentage terms, from its peak at that point in time. If the value is negative, it means the portfolio is below its peak. If it's zero, that month was a new high. Now let's calculate the maximum drawdown, the single worst drop the portfolio experienced during the entire period. To do this, we look through all the drawdown values in column D and simply find the lowest one. This will return the most negative drawdown, which represents the largest peak to trough drop your portfolio went through. In our example, the result is minus 21.43%, meaning at one point, the portfolio fell more than 21% from its peak before recovering. This number is super important for understanding downside risk, especially when comparing different investments or portfolios.